Hello friends, it's day 2 of our trip in Bangkok and good morning. We have just got ready for the day and first we are planning to go to Grand Museum, I guess, or the Grand Palace. And but before that we'll have a quick breakfast. Yesterday was all about shopping and we kept it really light only because the kids weren't very well, not feeling very well, and hopefully it'll be a better day for us today. Better day for us today to explore more of Bangkok. So let's go and explore the town today. So just as you enter, this is the reception area. This is basically on the 6th floor, right above the Platinum Mall. And this hotel I would definitely recommend because of the accessibility with all the malls around here, the night markets, perfect if you have kids because they can stay in the room and take a break and you can go out shopping anytime. And from here, from Novotel, you can directly go into the mall, food court area. And I'm having some tom yum seafood soup. The soup is really good, the tom yum soup. And Neil is having some sausage fried rice. How is it?
It's pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah.
And now we are going to Grand Palace. It is one of the most recommended, or you can say like sought after places to visit, tourist spots mainly. So let's go there. And we are here at the Grand Palace now. There is some entry fee, and as Nikki was wearing a short skirt, she had to pull up some pants which are only $100 bahts over here. Right outside the gate they are available. Just as you enter, you have to take your tickets from here at the ticket counter, and you can see the palace. The Grand Palace is a complex of buildings at the heart of Bangkok. The palace has been the official residence of the King of Siam since 1782. The king, his court, and his royal government were based on the grounds of the palace until 1925. The Grand Palace is still used for official events. Several royal ceremonies and state functions are held within the walls of the palace every year. The Grand Palace is made up of numerous buildings, halls, pavilions set around open lawns, gardens, and courtyards. Its asymmetric and eclectic styles are due to its organic development, with additions and rebuilding being made by successive reigning kings over 200 years of history. It is divided into several quarters: the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, the outer court, the middle court, the Chakra Mahaprasad buildings, the inner court, and the Sivalai garden quarters. The Grand Palace is currently partially open to public as a museum, but it still remains a working palace with several royal offices still situated inside. Study hard, study hard, study hard. Some candles and incense sticks to burn. I'm taking some incense sticks, and Nikki has taken a candle. What about you? It's the other way around, Neil. Yeah. We did an entire tour of the Grand Palace. The architecture here is really beautiful. And now we are going to move to the next place in our list. That's the reclining Buddha, or the Wat Pho, I guess it is called. The tickets for the entrance are 500 bahts each person. Yes, Nikki, you want to say something?
it was so hot here, but it was all very beautiful. But I really like the golden one, like the what do you call it? The golden dome.
The temple, I guess.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. The architecture is undoubtedly mesmerizing.
Pants. Huh?
And we are in our first tuk-tuk ride, going to Wat Pho. And after the tuk-tuk ride, we are here at Wat Pho, the reclining Buddha temple. After the Wat Pho, now we are taking the ferry to Wat Arun. It is really hot over here, sweating like hell. More than hot, it's humid. There's a huge queue over here to take the boat ride. And here are few shops from where you can hire the traditional costumes from to take pictures at Wat Arun. And finally we are close near the boat. Hopefully we'll get in this one. There was a huge queue, and this is the river, the Chao Phraya river. And I guess that is the water just across the river, which we need to cross. There are a lot of people who are dressed in their traditional clothes and taking photos in the temple. Looks like a huge temple. Wat Arun, or Temple of Dawn, is a Buddhist temple situated on Thonburi on the west bank of the Chao Phraya river. The temple derives its name from the Hindu god Aruna, who is a charioteer of the sun god Surya. Wat Arun is among the best known of Thailand's landmark. Although the temple has existed since at least the 17th century, its distinctive prang, or the tall tower, was built in the early 19th century during the reign of Rama II and Rama III. And Arindam and Nikki has gone up. You can see, trying to zoom in, yes. The weather has really become pleasant now. It is much less heat, but still humid, can't help it. And with the Wat Arun, almost all the destinations, all these 3 destinations were in our plans for today. And next we have the dinner cruise from the Chao Phraya river. For that we need to go to Icon-Siam. And now we are at the Icon-Siam mall, trying to locate where we need to check in for the cruise. It is supposedly one of the biggest malls in this part of the world. And now we are inside the cruise. I don't think you all can hear me, but I'll just show you all around. And we are served a welcome drink on arrival. That is the pier over there.
Good evening to all of you. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I love you. Okay, yes. 안녕하세요.
The weather right now is beautiful, perfect for cruising. Nice and breezy. And we have chosen the upper deck. The views from here are really good, but yeah, it's a bit more costlier than the lower deck. But I completely justify it for the views we are getting.
It's like on Jupiter.
And these are the food that I have grabbed for the dinner cruise. I don't know how much I'm able to finish, but I'm trying to. I just wanted to try everything. This bridge looks really beautiful.
So how do I say goodbye? No, baby, lucky, rumba.
And we are almost at the end of the river cruise. It was an excellent experience. I would suggest you all should try this cruise experience. And it was extra special for me as it was my birthday today. With that, I would end today's video. See you tomorrow again.